Hey y'all, so today we will be doing a frontal wig install on my client Jakayla. And the first thing I do, of course, is braid down her hair, and then I moisturize her scalp using the Lab Beauty Ultimate Growth Oil. It works really good. It grows your hair fast. Definitely look in the description box below for the information to purchase this growth oil. So y'all already know the next step in the process is to go ahead and lay those edges back. You can use edge control. I just prefer to use Got to Be Glued spray because it dries faster and I know that it will not hinder my bald cap process. Guys, make sure that you are cleaning your client's hairline with alcohol, sea breeze. You can even use witch hazel. Just make sure that you're cleaning their hairline really good before you lay down the bald cap. And of course, to get this bald cap secured, I am using Bold Hold Liquid Gold. It's easy on the edges. It's got argan oil in it, and it will not break out your edges in any way whatsoever. Alright, so just remember to cut your ear tabs out because if you do not, your bald cap will roll up and it will not lay flat. Now that bald cap is dry, I am going in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the shade RDF 14 to apply to that bald cap just to make it look like scalp. Now that we have that foundation on there, we're going to go ahead and cut off the excess cap. You can use scissors or you can use an eyebrow razor. For beginners, I would suggest using an eyebrow razor just because it's more of a seamless cut. Make sure that you are cleaning your client's hairline again after you lay the bald cap just to get rid of any excess oils. Also, be sure to use the same color foundation that you use for the bald cap on your lace of the wig. And you can put it on the top and underneath as well. Please don't forget to use skin protectant before you put that lace glue on your client's hairline. Just a little tip, your first layer of glue should always be focused on the edges of the bald cap. This will help the bald cap stay in place and just make sure that it will not go anywhere. Alright, so please make sure that you are putting that glue at least an inch away from the perimeter of the bald cap. This will just make sure that your wig stays in place where it needs to be. Okay, and just go ahead and lay that lace into that glue. You can use your hands, the back of a comb, the teeth of the comb. Just, make sure that lace is laying flat into that glue. Okay, so y'all already know it's time for that elastic band. That is what's going to give you that ultimate melt. So make sure that you are using that to tie that lace down with. And just let it dry for about 15 minutes under a dryer. You can use either the warm or the cool setting. I found that both of them work. Alright, so she set up under the dryer for about 15 minutes, and that lace and that glue has melted and melded together. Everything is working out perfectly so far. So what you want to do is go ahead and cut slits on either side of the forehead in the lace. That way it will make it much easier for you to cut that lace off with the razor. Okay, so y'all already know the only thing I use that She Is Bomb wax stick to go ahead and get that hair nice and flat, get that hairline looking really sleek and shiny. Yes, She Is Bomb wax stick is the way to go. And a good hot comb. So y'all see that little whitish halo around her hairline where the lace is? We're getting ready to get rid of that. So what you want to do is go ahead and part off the baby hair, and then you're going to take that same cream foundation that you used for the bob cap and the lace, and you're going to apply that all along that hairline, and then spray it with the Got to Be Glue spray. Get that elastic band and tie it down and just watch the magic. Alright, so while I'm waiting on those baby hairs to mold and set in place, that way I can swoop them a little bit easier, I'm going to go ahead and flat iron her hair straight. She wanted a natural, sleek, straight look, so that's what I'm doing here. And I'm just using this Conair flat iron that I picked up from Walgreens like a year ago, and it gets up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and it works really, really well. It only takes like one pass to get the hair bone straight. So it took me about 15 to 20 minutes to straighten her hair. So now that I'm taking that elastic band off, y'all can see that melt and how much of a difference that Got to Be Glued spray and that cream foundation makes. So now what I'm about to do is use an eyebrow razor to cut her some baby hairs. And then I'm going to use my 3/10 inch flat iron to go ahead and curl those baby hairs going upwards. I'm going to use my Got to Be Glued black bottle of gel to get those baby hairs molded and into place. To define her middle part, I did use a shade lighter than her skin complexion, and I just put that all in that part, and I just make sure that it was nice and smooth and looking natural. And y'all, this is pretty much the finished look. Let me know what y'all thought about it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.